Hello. Hi, everyone having a good time? Thank you again so much for joining us. Tonight, it is my pleasure to present a 2012 Equality Award to someone who was a community leader, an advocate, a friend of Legally and the Long Island GLBT Services Network, Eddie Fraser. Eddie is the Regional Director of Community Relations for the North Shore LIJ Health Systems, Plainview, Syosset, Franklin, Glen Cove, Lenox Hill, Southside, and Forest Hills hospitals. He's a very busy man, and apparently he is extremely popular. We have a lot of people here tonight paying tribute to Eddie, and I'd like to take a moment to recognize once again North Shore LIJ Health System as our presenting sponsor, right over here in the middle. I know we have a table here from Southside Hospital, from Plainview and Syosset Hospitals, the North Shore office, the North Shore LIJ Office of Diversity, Inclusion, and Health Literacy, as well as Eddie's friends and family. Thank you all so much for being with us here tonight and for your support. Now, I could really go on and on all night about Eddie's professional career, but I really wanted to take this time to tell you about how Eddie's involvement has helped Legally and the Long Island GLBT Services Network. I first met Eddie a few years ago when one of our longtime volunteers and a Legally Youth alumni, Sean Collins, who's actually here tonight, when he introduced us. Eddie was very quick to become an advocate at North Shore LIJ. Within just a few weeks, he worked to have North Shore LIJ become a sponsor of our annual Legally Prom. Eddie and the North Shore LIJ staff attended the prom, and it was at this time when I saw in Eddie's eyes just how important his involvement was, that he understood how vital the support of Legally was for GLBT youth. Thank you. Eddie's advocacy grew from there. He asked North Shore LIJ to sponsor our annual expo and continued the support of our annual prom. Just last year, we asked Eddie to be a judge for our annual Legally Talent Show. And it was an experience that captured his heart and drove his involvement even further. He saw, once again, how our programs provide that safe space for GLBT youth to express themselves and to feel empowered, to have a home where they just can be themselves. And he just couldn't stop talking about how much he loved it and how much it meant to him. He, like so many other people we know, said, "It is so amazing for GLBT kids to have a place like this to come to. If only there was a place like this when I was growing up." And Eddie always goes on to say, "I just want to help those kids." Eddie, it's difficult for us to put into words how much we appreciate your help and your support over the past few years. Your advocacy and your leadership has helped Legally and the Long Island GLBT Services Network make sure that GLBT youth have the support they need and that they deserve. In fact, thanks to you and the North Shore LIJ Health System, we have raised more money tonight with this event than we ever have before. Thank you so much. It's truly my honor to present this award to you tonight. Please help me welcome to the stage a community leader, an advocate, a friend of the Long Island GLBT Services Network, our final honoree, Eddie Fraser.
Thank you, Robert. and this is why I do this. It's an honor to receive this award tonight, and I extend my sincere appreciation to the Long Island Gay, Lesbian, Bisexual, and Transgender Services Network for this very special and meaningful award. I am honored to share the stage with a courageous youth like Blake, who have overcome the odds through legally. Blake, congratulations. I'm also very privileged to share the stage with Andrew Tobias, whose national efforts are both exceptional and inspirational. Andrew, congratulations. As a member of the North Shore LIJ Health System, I am particularly privileged to work for an organization committed to the dignity, respect, and equality of all the individuals, employees, patients, and those in the communities it serves, and for the very generous and public support of tonight's Equality Awards Gala. Our long-lasting relationship with the GLBT Services Network clearly underscores the health system's strong commitment to social justice. In fact, many of my colleagues are here tonight, too many to name individually, but I would be remiss if I did not specifically recognize Mark Salazzo, Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of the North Shore LIJ Health System. And two very special women, who have been my mentors, my friends, and my guiding lights, and have been exceptionally supportive of me through my ventures. Debbie Tascone, the Regional Executive Director of the North Shore LIJ Health System, and Winnie Mack, the Executive Director of Southside Hospital. Winnie's out of the country tonight and could not be here, but I would be remiss if I did not express my deepest appreciation. Both Winnie and Debbie have been extraordinary gifts in my life, and it's truly been a privilege to be on their team. Their leadership has been very invaluable to me in creating a health system that is committed to service, excellence, and equality. I am so grateful to be honored by a network of organizations dedicated to providing a safe haven, ending homophobia and transphobia, and advocating for equality, which is why a night like tonight is so very important. It gives us an opportunity to raise funds, and equally importantly, to support the mission of several vital organizations. Long Island Gay and Lesbian Youth, who, by the way, hosts the best prom. The Long Island GLBT Community Center, Services and Advocacy for GLBT Elders, and the East End Gay Organization. Thank you to the staff, the volunteers, and the supporters of those organizations who make such a difference in the lives of so many. Tonight is also an opportunity for me to publicly thank those who have been so supportive of me as an individual. I want to take just a moment to extend my love and heartfelt appreciation to my mother, Carol, and my new stepdad, Rudy. My 5 siblings, which are all here tonight. And of course, my 13 nieces and nephews, which they're not all here tonight. And a very special person, my partner of 15 years, Thomas Anderson. He who puts up with my crazy schedules day in and day out. Also, Tom's mom and sister are here tonight as well. Their love and support have sustained me, have helped me grow, and have made me the person I am today. Oops. Swore I wouldn't do this. I am deeply grateful to each and every one of them. Since we have the wonderful talent of Scott Nevins, our host, American Idol's Kimberly Locke, and the renowned DJ Fun to make this a night to remember, I'm going to conclude my remarks. Thank you very much for this great honor.